In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create stunning visuals using the Photoroom app. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, Photoroom offers an intuitive platform to bring your creative visions to life. So let's dive in and explore how you can utilize this tool effectively. First, you'll want to head over to the Photoroom website. Open your browser and type in app.photoroom.com, or simply click on the link if you're following along with written instructions. Once there, you'll be greeted with a myriad of creative possibilities and a user-friendly interface that makes designing a breeze. As you land on the home page, you'll notice several options and features at your disposal. However, for now, let's focus on exploring the templates. Scroll down a bit, and you'll begin to see an array of pre-designed templates. These can be a fantastic starting point, especially if you're looking to save some time or need inspiration for your project. Photoroom's templates range from sleek and modern to fun and vibrant, allowing you to choose whatever resonates with your style. Now, go ahead and select a template that catches your eye. Simply click on it, and if prompted, upload an image from your device. This step might seem straightforward, but it's crucial for personalizing the template to match your specific needs. Whether it's a personal photo or a professional image, make sure it complements the overall design you have in mind. Once your image is uploaded, the workspace will open up, showing you the template in all its editable glory. To better understand the structure of your chosen template, click outside the workspace. This action will reveal the different components and layers that make up the design. Think of it like peeling back the curtain to see everything that's been carefully put together for your convenience. Now comes the fun part, customizing your template. Click on the specific layer you wish to edit. It might be a text box, a shape, or even the background image. Whatever it is, clicking on it will activate the editing menu. This menu is where the magic happens, offering you a plethora of tools to tweak, modify, and perfect each element until it aligns with your vision. Whether you're adjusting colors, changing fonts, or moving elements around, the editing options are quite comprehensive. As you make each adjustment, don't forget to periodically view your overall design. This will ensure that all elements are cohesive and harmonious. Take your time to experiment with different options, and remember, creativity knows no bounds. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to using Photoroom for your design projects. With its user-friendly platform and diverse range of templates and editing tools, crafting beautiful visuals has never been easier. Happy designing!